Hey there, I'm Ryan, CEO of KHB Construction. I want to talk to you today about markup and gross profit. For my entrepreneurs out there, this is probably gonna make a lot of sense, but I'm gonna try to break this down as elementary as possible to get the point across to you. Every contractor has a markup. Now, markup, when we're job costing your project, we just finished your kitchen, we're going over the duration of man hours, we're going over subcontract pricing, any change orders that might have happened, which hopefully don't happen, but we're going over the estimated versus actual and seeing how much gross profit was on the project, how long it took, taking the gross profit by the duration and seeing what that actually costs to get to a net profit. Now, that might be complicated, but gross profit is built off of markup. And markup is, let's say, what do I got here? This microphone, right? $30 on Amazon. This microphone really only costs maybe $5 to produce, but it's $30 to the consumer because it's not just the microphone. You have to pay for the labor to assemble it. You have to pay for the raw building materials to actually make the microphone, the shipping, distribution, holding of that microphone, the retail cost of having it on a shelf. There's a lot of costs that go into a product that is more than just surface value of the product itself. And that's what markup is. So markup is a means to get to gross profit. And now gross profit is the only thing any business should care about, is gross profit over how long it takes, whether it's this microphone on a shelf, how long did it take to get to the shelf, how long was it on the shelf, how long did it take to get off the shelf. That's all that matters. And how many products can we push through this funnel? Same thing in general contracting. We are looking at gross profit over duration. And so we have recently canceled markup. We are not doing any more markup. We are going with a flat rate gross profit over the duration that is completely transparent to you, the homeowner. We're gonna let you know, hey, this is how much it costs for KHB to do this project. And with this number, we need to finish at this date or we're gonna start losing money as a company. So we are very obligated and incentivized to meet our schedule dates or we start losing money as a company. So what we're doing now is a no markup guarantee. We are not gonna mark up your faucet. I don't care about the markup. I don't care about marking up your faucet 20, 30, 40, 50% because that markup is just a means to gross profit. So what we're doing now, no markup, flat rate gross profit cost over duration that is linked to your live schedule, and that's a guaranteed schedule. So we have a no change order guarantee, no markup guarantee, completely wide open, transparent books on how we price these things out. And I hope that this brings more comfort to homeowners because one of the biggest issues I find when I'm talking with homeowners is that contractors are a little shady. They're padding costs here, they're adding costs here, and homeowners should know where their money's going. This is hopefully a solution for you guys that have the wishy-washy questions of where your money's going. Completely transparent, open books. If you want to learn more about this, give us a call. Happy to talk through that with you. And if you're looking to get a project, look out for that gross profit line or ask your contractor, hey, what's your markup on this? Guarantee they don't know how to break it down to a gross profit over duration because most people, most contracting companies are on the seat of their pants how they operate their financials.